and I'm going to do something that I sort of have done before, but do it a little differently. So in a previous video, I had some purple hair paint wax that I was using, and I did some Bantu knots. Super cute look, came out amazing, loved it. I left the Bantu knots in, that was the look. Now I'm going to see if this same hair paint will hold up for a twist out, because I remember the last hairstyle, like when I finally took it down, I remember what it felt like what my hair felt like with the color in. It washed out super easy, like no hassle. I didn't even have to put shampoo in it, it just rinsed right out. I mean, I did shampoo it obviously, but I'm saying before I even got to the shampoo part, the dye was already coming out. It was a little messy. My tub was purple, and I had to scrub the tub out, but well, not scrub really, because I just had to rinse it out really good. But again, I still did scrub it down because that's what you do. But I was remembering like what my hair felt like with the color in it, and I was wondering if it might make my twist out look funny, like if it would alter the way that my hair curls in a twist out. So we're about to see. And this time we're gonna do blue. Yes, it kind of looks purple in this camera setting, but it is definitely blue. And I actually have wanted blue hair for a really long time. Like, I kind of want to dye my real hair blue, but I'm not gonna do it yet. So what I'm gonna be using is this hair dye. I linked it in the last video. I'll link it here again, from Amazon, $5. I'm gonna apply water, obviously. Can't do it on dry hair. And I'm gonna be using a mix of Curl Pop by Divas by Cindy and Unicurl 4-in-1 style cream styler, because I'm running out of both, but I really love these products, so I'm just going to mix them. And a brush to detangle. My hair has already been stretched. This is an old twist out. I'm going to be twisting my hair on this. Oh, and I'm going to be wearing my curly cape. Love this thing, so I'm going to put it on. And it's going to keep my, sorry, my phone was going off. It's going to keep the hair paint from getting on my clothes. And keep me from having to shift around the towel the whole time. You just put it on. It has like a raised collar. I can button it here and again here. And okay, so I'm wearing my puff cuff. This is something that you can get using my discount Fromantic. I will also put a link to that in the description. Oh, comes right out. Let's get started then. Okay, so I'm super sorry that this next piece is so out of focus, but I even contemplated not even posting this, but I'm gonna make it work. So basically, here I am putting the blue paint on my hair. I feel like I needed to put a lot for it to hold because my hair is a little dark. And the ends are kind of blonde, so it's turning green. big blue hair. Oh my god. I'm a little nervous because the last time I had it in a style, so I knew what it was, you know, it was just purple and then bantu knots. This time I'm gonna take these twists out and wear it like hopefully big if this doesn't weigh my hair down too much. So having big blue hair will be very interesting, but it's gonna be so cute. Ooh, okay, hey, hey, okay. So I'm gonna let these dry, and then the next thing you'll see is the takedown. So be right back. Hello friends, I'm back and I'm wearing blue and I'm about to complete my look. I went ahead and got dressed and everything because I was doing a reel. So we're about to do the takedown. This hair is very blue, so we about to see what it's gonna look like. Oh, just off the bat, it took it a little bit to dry, but I did put my little dryer attachment on for like on cool for like 30 minutes, and that finished up everything. The first time I made the mistake of putting like a little conditioner cap on my head and going to sleep, but a lot of the color came off in the trap, Lord, in the cap. So I had to kind of reapply some of it because it was looking like dark blue, and then my ends were like a light brown, almost blonde, so the ends were kind of green. And I didn't want that. I want blue. So I reapplied some of the color. And that's what made me take so long to dry. But so far, I will say it definitely feels like there's wax on my hair. But the twists feel like they took the correct form. That's for sure. They're just a little hard. It feels like if I had done this with like a lot of gel or something, maybe. My hands are still kind of stained blue a little. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached like, girl, this is so blue and so cute. I love it. Hold on, let me do the most real quick. Do you feel me though? Like, are we feeling this? Because I am, like, personally, I am feeling this. I'm really feeling these shades too. I got these for like $2 and I will be wearing them out, thanks. I love this. Like, love how the color turned out. It's very bright. I'm enjoying this. It is still flaking everywhere, so that is something to remember. My hands are still kind of getting blue. This does not stop getting on your clothes once you put it on. So please know that, like, this is like having Cheeto dust on your fingers and clothes all day. So if you're looking for something that is a little more like permanent and not messy, this hair paint wax is not for you. And I don't know if all of them do this, but the brand that I ordered from is very, very flaky. So, and I'm putting the link down below. It is $5 though, so Halloween's coming up. If you're feeling like you want to, you know, just color your hair for a night, perfect solution. Just a little hair paint wax, let it dry, and be cute. You feel me? I'm living for this. Like, Come on. Come on. Are you serious? Like, I live. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'll put all the details for this hair paint wax in my bio. I'll also link the other video where I did the purple Bantu knots in case you have not seen it yet. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all again here for the next video, whenever that is. Bye.